Good morning guys! Happy Sunday! Today is October 8. And kung makikita nyo, naka-ready na ako. Bigla ang lakad, tumawag si Jan. Wala pa siya dito, nasa work pa siya. Tinawagan niya ako na sabi niya mag-ready daw kami. Kasi punta kami ng Nelson. Is it right? Nelson? Yeah. And yeah, mag-sightseeing daw kami doon. So, yung mga maliliit na bata, kumain na sila ng Coco Pops. Nag-cereal lang sila kasi dapat magluluto ako ng Filipino breakfast. Tignan ko kung kaya pa pag may oras pa. Anong oras na ba? Wala na kasi sabi ni Jan, darating daw siya mga 10:20, 10:30. The time is 9:30. So may 1 hour na lang. So ito yung ating, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung ating OOTD. So yan. Sporty look lang tayo. So, ano kayo kita? Ayan. Sporty look. Pero magja-jacket ako kasi malamig. Ayan yung pa-mirror ko pala dito. Ayan yung ating outfit sa ating biglang lakad. Si Holly nakabihis na. Sikat naliligo. Si Neil nakabihis na. Yung dalawa, si Veronica kasi Elijah nagbe-breakfast pa. Wala na akong time magluto ng Filipino breakfast. Hinihintay pa naman yun ni Kuya. Sabi ko, baka mamaya pabalik namin. So, ang gagawin ko lang kay Neil is lobster sandwich. A fancy breakfast.
Very fancy breakfast.
Settling in, settling down. Falling in love, not falling out. I keep on falling in. Each of us both done in the crown. A crown, a crown, a crown.
So, ayan ang kanyang breakfast.
Being in a quit royally bound. Yeah. Both called it from the beginning. Called it. Knew that there had to be love. Do what we gotta do to stay winning, winning. Fussing the fights, we'll keep trust.
Thank you.
Say, I love you better today than yesterday. Every day is gonna play out the same.
Ayan na yung breakfast niya. Lobster toast with latte. Welcome. Wala pa si Jan. Mag-iinit ako ng kare-kare. May rice and lobster. Kakain ako. Siya kumain siya ng ano. Nag-toast siya, diba? Sa'yo kakain ako. Pero sasabayan niya raw ako. Ayan na yung ating kare-kare. Sikat kakain ulit. Kumain na yan. Kumain na.
Yan pala yung tactic mo.
Na. Ayan siya. Ayan yung rice natin. Bahala ka dyan.
Ano na yan?
Anong oras na ba?
Brunch. Ano na? 10:27.
Alam mo, mauubusan ako ng ano, memory.
Habang wala pa si ano.
Wala pa kasi si Johnny Boy.
Wala pa si Sir John.
Nga, pa dito ka magtinidor.
Pero sayang kasi.
Sus, bundat na talaga tayo nito ka. Naubos niya yung dalawa niyang toast ngayon. Kare-kare! Wala, hindi na kailangan ng bagoong nito, guys.
Hindi na. Kasi
May ano na siya.
sobrang malakasan na. Kasi iba kasi diba, ginagawa talaga nilang ano.
Pampalasa yun.
Bland talaga yung kare-kare.
Kare-kare and lobster. Kain, guys. Kain. Hindi kailangan ko na. Ikaw, hindi mo kasi meron kang pang ganun. Ako, wala.
Hindi na kailangan tinador.
Wow, okay na. Ayun, guys.
Haba pa ng ulam na.
Yes, ayan. Kain. Ubusan ako ng ano, guys. Ng Elijah! Baba! Tapos na kaming kumain. And, nagre-ready na tayo. Dalawa yung jacket na dala ko. Meron ako yung, eto ba, yung windbreaker. Kasi hindi ko alam kung gaano kalamig dun sa pupunta namin. Ayan, sikat. ready na rin siya. So, eto. Pero pag sobrang lamig, meron tayong dalang. Eto yung pa. Sukat ko nga ito. Sikat, nakalimutan niya yung jacket. So, susuotin niya si ano. Pinaram ko sa kanya si balahibo ko. Si Bibi. Eto. So, sabi ni Jen, okay na daw yung aking windbreaker. So, no, pero dalhin ko pa rin ito. Di ba may ganyan ka?
Meron. Pink.
Pink?
Yeah.
Pink yung ganyan mo?
Oo, pink.
Ah, sabay tayo, di ba? Oo nga pala. Tapos kay Ray, black.
Black. Kailangan din, black.
Ay, oo nga, no. Sige, isa pala kami noon yung nabalahibo. So, ito na lang muna para sporty-sporty look tayo. Sporty-sporty pero walang sports. Ganun lang. Dalhin na lang natin sa ano, outfit.
Outfit
So,
check.
yan. Outfit check. Outfit check daw. Nag-outfit check na ako kanina. So, yan yung ating total. Wow! Ano yan, Tim?
Hindi, velvet.
Velvet tea. Nagtatransfer siya? Peri-peri.
Pera-pera.
Pera-para na lang.
Pera-paraan.
Nag-lipstick na siya. Kung nag-ano lang, kung wala akong linagay na cushion, ano lang?
Sunscreen.
Sunscreen, skincare,
Ako din,
sunscreen. Tapos lip tint. Na-try mo na ba yung ano, MQ Cosmetics? Ito to.
Yeah, maano yan, MQ. Maganda.
Ngayon. Yan na halos yung ginagamit ko. Nung ano ni Holly, nung concert, yun din ang, ito yung ginamit ko kasi red.
Yeah, oo, ganda.
Yan.
Natural look lang.
Alis na tayo. Oops. Nasa likod natin sila Nelsie.
Which was the shortcut one?
No, there's no way going around Nelson.
I like me better now. Guess you make me feel that way. I like me better now.
Dito na tayo sa Nelson. 40 minutes, right, Beth? 30 from our house. Malamig nga lang.
And Grandpa.
Dito na kami. Love you. You gonna wear your shade?
Yeah.
Not inside, you don't need them inside.
Yeah, I can just do this.
Oh, yeah, well, sure, Holly.
So, etong sightseeing dito, guys. River, and may mga little boat, and may mga maliliit dyan na parang, ang tawag nila? Little shack. Yeah, may mga little shack dyan. Yung parang malilit na pwede yung pag-stayan tulad nun. Nakikita nyo yung green doon na maliit doon sa kabila. Ice cream! Tito dyan kayo, ice cream! Nag-ice cream na sila. Nagtry kayo mag-tiktok. Ice cream na siya. Oh, you guys, kuya. You don't like ice cream? How about you, Holly? Wow, you got...
But Dad made a mistake. I wanted it in the car instead of...
It's alright.
Where'd it go?
Cups, yeah, it's better.
Show it, Dada. Show it, Dada.
Go, Dada. Nice.
Put on a cup one.
That bubble gum, that
There you get, I it around
Ayan,
that.
kaya dyan, bubble bill.
They ain't missing souls about their age. Bubble like Bill.
Bring the blushes to my face, feeling so knocks you down. Guess this what Carrie was on about. I like me better now. I like me better now. But I'm sick, yeah, mad by you.
Hindi tayo uuwi.
For you. You bring out the dreams in me. It's you. It's you. I think I found the reasons when I
Nag-tiktok kami ni Kat, sana sabay. Katapos lang mag-tiktok, siya kinuha kami ng ice cream. And ayun na yung dalawang bata. May pictorial doon. Ayan na yung ice cream.
This isn't yours.
That's not mine. Oh, thank you. This is... Wait. Thank you. It's a lot. Dami. Ako na talaga yung magda-diet. Harap.
Mom, what's yours?
Passion fruit. Thank you, John. Sabi ko, yuko na ng ice cream.
Sarap.
Mango sa akin. Sa'yo mo na, passion
Mango
fruit.
passion fruit.
Mango passion fruit.
Can I try?
Yeah, go.
Photoshoot sila.
Naka-ready na si.
Si Elijah, oh, nakapost na.
Kuya, TJ.
Smile.
Okay, smile. Okay, ready?
Okay, wow. Kuya, it's alright. Yeah, come on.
Elijah!
Smile, Elijah. Elijah. Ang cute. Nagbabalancing din sila dun, oh. Where's next?
Go at Mouth River.
Mount River daw ang next. Nagpa-picture kami doon, nag-TikTok kami. Mount River. Si Holly nandun kay Tito Neil. You talk too many people.
I've seen everyone from the boat.
I know.
Well, that's Leanne, that lives next door to us, across the road.
Okay. Sabi, magpa-picture
Boating,
kami.
and bloody other boys. And
Busy siya. I-insert ko yung picture naming, ano, kami lang mga kids. Wala siya kasi madami siyang kausap. So, let's go.
I think I found the reasons why nothing seemed to be working out for you. You trust in me, see the big vision of me, lead me through darkness and peace. Oh, you, I like me better now. I think I like.
Sabi ni Jen, wala na raw tubig yung river. Dito na tayo, guys. Wala nang tubig yung river. First time mo, Kat. First time ko din. Yes. Madami nga kaming tourist spot, guys. Ayan, lakad tayo dito, guys. Ganda dito.
Takbo-takbo ka dyan, intro mo man yun.
Ganda dito, oh, pababa.
Yeah, pababa. Oh my God, it's so pretty. And then
Sand, river, then ocean.
ano tawag dito, Mike?
Open, river mount?
River Mount.
I think.
Wow.
River mount to. Kasi, di ba, bukas yun, oh. River mount to the ocean.
Oo nga.
Oh, tayo magpunta. Oh, ayun na sila. Wow, go, Papa.
Bam, jump.
Jump, baby, go. Ang ganda.
Oh.
Diba? Ang dami namin ditong.
Ang ganda ng sand.
Ang ganda ka mo ng view doon. Ay, nice now, Baba. Nice.
Is it nice?
Hi, Zach. Andun si John, oh, sa taas.
O, tara na. Iwan na natin yung nanay mo dyan. Let's go na, guys! Pinipicture na ni Zach. O, diba? Char naman. Ang laki. O, paano ka bababa, sis?
Jump na lang ako.
Sis, baba na, sis. Kala pa naman ang shoes mo. Sige, o. Tiis ganda yarn. Oh, what's that?
Alam, boys po, yung ginawa ko doon.
Oh.
This is my spot. This is my spot.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
Muntik pang makano ni Sak yung kangaroo. Sa salubong ni Sak. Itim. Akala ko nagjo-joke lang din. Go, Baba!
Where's the kangaroo, Elijah?
Elijah, there, baby! There! Okay, tapos na tayo Okay.
Guys, this looks like a boat.
Mag-sightseeing dito. Ang ganda dito. Si Sak. Muntik nang makasalubong yung... Okay. Makasalubong yung kangaroo.
Dito?
Ha?
Hanggang yung kangaroo.
Somewhere dito sa bush siguro. Ganda no, Kat?
Ganda.
Parang ang tagal nyo na pumupunta dito sa amin. Ang dami nyo pang nadidiscover, no? Ang dami nyo nadidiscover na bago.
From the house, it said,
Another river.
no or sell your caravan.
Pababa tayo. Daldal ni sa kanina pa daldal si Sang, marami siyang kwento. Nag-ano kasi sila, yung parang nag-field trip
Wait,
dito.
Dad, see that white door?
Oh,
Okay.
nice.
Hello, who's that?
Tayo talaga nag-tour today. Mayroon dalawa. Oh, careful you to. Careful. Ah, may swing. Nice view here, guys. Oh, may mga nagfi-fishing na mga bata. Ang kanyang tripod ay malaking puno. Nilamig na tayo. So, naka-puff jacket na tayo. Next, ano naman tayo? Ewan kung saan na tayo next. Sa may park daw kasi si Elijah gusto mag-park. Umiyak siya kasi may malit na swing doon, diba? Gusto niya pa mag-swing. So, sabi ni Jan, meron daw may madadaanan na park.
Mom.
Yeah. Ang ganda yung view doon. Oh. Hindi lang mabigyan ng justice ng ating camera, pero ang ganda ng view doon. Ang ganda doon. Hindi ko na videohan. Pababa siya, tiff ba? Okay. Kung saan na lang tayo dinadala ni Johnny Boy, oh. Where are we now? Nasa jungle na tayo, guys. Jungle na tayo. Nasa zoo. Dito tayo sa mga shacks. Is it shacks, ha?
Huh?
Shacks?
Shacks, yeah.
Shacks, yung malilit na ganyan, guys, oh. Can you rent this, han? Is someone, no? What, someone own this? Parang ano sa atin sa Manila, di ba? Yung parang may, yung nagtatayo ng bahay sa malapit sa tubig. Dito, guys, ano yan, nire-rent.
Yeah, we're up there.
Or own.
Yeah, the other side. Look,
This
this
one.
is a set.
She said you're like a busy.
Yeah, walang tao. Dito kami sa Princess Margaret Rose Cave. Nakapunta na tayo dito long time ago. Kaso parang wala namang tao. Sarado ata. Ayan. Close siya. Currently closed. Ayan siya, oh. Maganda yan. Mag-nature walk na lang daw tayo. Sisak talaga matyaga sa bata, oh.
Ito na makasababa. Malay na.
Si Jan na talagang hindi pagod. Dami niyang energy. Magwo-walking tayo. Ang aga niya nagising, di ba? Galing niyang work. Tayo na talaga magwo-walking. Ako okay lang. I like walking. Pero si Jan kasi, di ba? Pagod yan. Pero okay lang siya. Siya naman nagyaya. Ayan siya, oh. Sila Jan lakas ng kanyang... Buti lang may internet pa siya, Day.
Wala, ang laro lang.
Laro. Ayan. You're the tour guide right now, babe? May stick siya, oh. Snake. Snake. Kaya pa may stick siya. May snake. Maganda nga to. Overview. View. Time and lime. Ayan. River. Ayan na. Pababa na tayo ng pababa. Pababa na tayo ng pababa. 2 minutes na lang yung aking SD card. Diba? Ganda na. Welcome. No. Every time magbablog ako, pinapaspasan niya yung ating car.
They've gone, mate. Oh, they're out there on the rock.
Oh my god, you're too close.
Still wants it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why don't we just leave the shit there?
It's stuffed. It's rusted.
Where are you gonna put your buggy in there? You should just leave it in.
Dito na kami sa bay. Tulog daw yung dalawang girls.
The playground.
Tulog yung Tulog yan. Oh. Playground na baba. Kunti na lang yung aking memory, yung aking SD card. So, 3 o'clock na. Magdi-dinner na lang kayo dito. Mag-fish and chips na lang kami kasi wala na akong time magluto. Ang lamig na dito. Ginising na sila. So, whole day tayo. Hindi naman whole day. Parang half day na nag-tour-tour talaga tayo. Ayun si Elijah. Mawawala na ng space ang aking memory card. Andito yung mga mga kalaro niya ba? Nagra-ride ng bike. Tsaka si Ollie nandito rin, yung friend ni Kuya. Si Brock nandito. Sa bahay na pala kami. Ayan na yung ating dinner. Oh my God. Fish and chips. Dito kayo sa bahay kasi malamig doon. Fish and chips tayo today.
I have nothing all day except lunch.
Excuse me.
Okay, excuse me. That burger or yes, not steak. Ayan kay Jan, lot. Burger. Sarap. Sarap nito. Mommy. Tissue.
Ito gusto niya malagyan
Tapos na kaming
I
kumain.
made it by myself.
Yeah.
Totally didn't need help.
Oh yeah. Gumawa siya nito. Yung Luna buns. Ayan. Success, yes. And yung isa, tingnan mo eyeshadow mo, Baba. Let me see your eyeshadow.
Put your makeup on.
Veronica. Yeah. 6 o'clock na, guys. So, wala tayong nilutong dinner. Maaga yung dinner namin kanina. So, mag-cake na kami. Ngayon pa lang makakain yung cake. Cake tayo. Hatiin na natin to.
Ayan. Sabay-sabay sila ng pulot ng mga rubber. Nag-ano sila? Clean up. Clean up. Say hi. Hello po. Hello.
Ayan na.
Kaya sila.
Tough.
Tagal naman niya mag-rate. What's the rate? 510 nothing.
Still trying.
Got a heavy palate. Very flavour in there.
That's your second full mouth.
Now I've got to try a bit of coconut, whatever it is.
That's not cold. That's macadamia.
Macadamia.
Maybe not cake.
Hindi mo. Wala na akong memory. It's gonna be flat, my camera.
Good bug.
Good bug. Paubos na bago ka pa nagsabi. Kato.
Apple.
Thanks, Mama.
You have a fork, please.
Yeah.
Get it, okay.
Oh, who wants cake? Good? You're gonna sleep. Oh, pagod na yan eh. Tulog na yan.
Elijah, come on, let's try Ninang's cake.
Come on, Baba.
Uy! Ang water talaga. Kakalat siya, maglilinis siya. Yan?
Soft, soft.
Very good. Parang may ano man eh, caramel taste.
Siya?
Yung ano yun na cream.
Hindi, mayroon siyang ano,
Oh, a little bit.
Holly, are you? You're done?
Baba, that's enough. Bigyan ko na lang ng tinapay mamaya. May tinapay.
Oo. Holly. Here's yours, Baba.
Apparently.
If I were more, can I have more?
Yeah. In fairness, guys, kahit ako ang gumawa nito, sarap. Ka-level niya yung ano, red ribbon.
Sarap.
Mama.
Yeah.
Ang sarap.
That's new. Where are they going to build that?
There.
Where?
Mama. There.
Ano yan?
They can just spend whatever they want.
You want toast?
Sarap. Ano yung ubos ko?
No more water, Mai. Sinipiga niya. Wala naman ang tubig laman. Basta mo. No more water.
Sarap. Ito yung pangalawa ko, guys. Ang sarap din ng macadamia.
Have a little say, Neil. Stab the pencils. Look what much calories.
He's accused of stabbing a woman in the stomach.
Oh my God. Is that in Adelaide?
Around 9:30 last night.
Running left, right, no way to go. Saying, come on. You said me.
Paramedics treating the 44.
Yes, kuya.
Just try it. You like that.
You wanna sit there?
I'm gonna get this. Mom. Mom.
Okay, you break.
Like it, yeah? Like it?
Ayaw, Mama.
So, inamoy niya na naman. Here's ako. The nut is good, soft. Yep.
Where's the car?
99.
Where's the car?
Runs off 29.
Like it?
I'm those nuts that those blue nuts.
Blue nut? Macadamia.
You know that package.
No, it's not that one. It's different one. This is from the where I cook. Nasaan yung plate mo doon? Diyan natin si Neil.
Cake me, please.
I'll get you
You forgot you had a husband. First time.
Bowl, look, bowl. Mayroon pa din plate. Mayroon pa din.
What do you want?
Dito sa side na to cut.
What are you doing?
More? Ako na. I'll do it. This one. This bit? A little bit more?
Is that when you were at ours? Hey, don't eat all the cake.
Yeah, here, you got more here, Holly.
Franco, let's have cake.
Ay, kuya.
That's sweet.
You want cake?
Oh, kuya, do it. Come on.
If there's one thing us Aussies love, it's a Barbie.
Oh, kuya, this way. Okay.
It's better than the other cake.
I'm doing better.
The other cake.
I like that both.
No. This is what's happening. So, I like this cake, but I like the topping from
that-
the other cake better.
Okay. How about you, yeah? This one
Without the nuts.
without the nut. How about you, Nelsie? Huh? What do you think of that one? So,
I like it in my belly.
I like it in my belly.
Everything.
What do you think of that? Good?
But tastes like coffee.
Tastes like coffee.
Cause I think